Okay, so we're all set up ready for this graduate training day today. They're next door at the moment with the CEO, getting a welcome to the business and a bit of an update of what the next few weeks are going to look like for them. Now, Croudace have got this amazing space here, just literally just an empty office, and because of the games and the mobile team building activities that we provide, we're able to kind of bring those in and just make use of the space. So here, for example, we've got an activity ready to go, which is our Plumbers Nightmare activity, which is a problem solving and communication piece. Over there, as you can see, perhaps if you've got a slightly bigger space, we've got our Spaceball, which is actually a blindfold activity, but again, a lot of emphasis on communication. And dotted around as well, we've got our Lego Architect activity. So really, if you have a space and you are looking to incorporate team activities as part of your onboarding day, then these sort of options are a really accessible suggestion for your program.